In this section, we'll talk through both the ingredients and the equipment that we'll need to bake our epic chocolate brownies. So here we have 150 grams of chocolate. We've got 95 grams each of dark brown sugar and white caster sugar. We've got 110 grams of unsalted butter, 65 grams of plain or all-purpose flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, and 3 medium eggs. This is the equipment you'll need to make and bake your epic chocolate brownie. We've got a set of scales to measure our ingredients. We've got a medium saucepan and a spatula, or you could use a wooden spoon. We've got an 8" by 10" brownie tin and some greaseproof baking paper. We've got a sharp knife to cut the brownie once it's baked, and if there's any left over, we've got an airtight storage container to store any leftovers. So that's all of the equipment that we'll need to make and bake our epic chocolate brownie. In the next few videos, we'll look in slightly more detail at the ingredients that you'll be using.